Let's see step by step how to edit YouTube video correctly with Capcut. This video talks about how to add background music, voice record and logo to your video. This app is very good for editing YouTube videos, TikTok video and Instagram video. If your phone is an Apple phone, go to the App Store. If it's an Android phone, go to the Play Store. Remove the old Capcut app and get the new Capcut app because its AI has been updated. After that, install the Capcut Video Editor app. Now the installation is finished. Open the app. If you agree to these rules as soon as the app is opened, agree and continue. First, touch the place where there is a plus sign as new project. Give allow. You can view the photos and videos saved in your gallery here. If there is not one video you are making of, if there are several, select them all. Then click on the add button at the bottom right corner. Now there is a Capcut watermark at the end of the video that I have selected. You can remove this watermark. You don't need to pay money to remove the watermark like in other apps. You can remove the watermark for free in the Capcut app. First, go to the end of the video and touch the part called Capcut and select it. After that, you will get some options from the lamp. From the click on the option called delete. After that, you can make sure that the Capcut watermark is removed. Now let's see how to add the text to the video. Click on the text option below. Click on the text option below. Type a suitable title for your video here. The name of my channel is what I type here. Add fonts and style to your title as your time. If you like, add an animation to the title as in and out. After changing the title as you like, touch the right sign there. Click on your title. Now your title is selected. Now you drag the title till the end of the video. After that, you can watch the title from the beginning to the end of the video. Back away from there. Now let's see how to add your voice to the video. Audio option. After that, several options will appear from there. Click on the record option. Press and hold the blue mic until you are done recording. When you are done recording, tap on the correct marks. You can increase or decrease the sound of your recording by touching the volume button there. Forgot to say something earlier. There is an option called split where the volume button is. With it you can remove the unwanted parts of the voice, and also you can remove the unwanted part of the videos with it. With split option, a voice or a video is split into parts. After dividing into two parts, touch the part you don't need. An option called delete will appear below. Tap on it and remove the unwanted part. After that, touch the sound options. Here you can add background music to your video. Here is some music from the Capcut app itself. But I am not asking you to add the music in this app because many people who can copyright your videos have used this site. Select the one you like from here and download it and then add it to your video. Adjust the volume of the background music so that you can hear your recorded audio. There is a folder option here, touch it once. There is a folder called device, tap on it once, then you can use add audio on your phone as background music. Touch and select your video. Then adjust the speed of the video as you like. Now let's see how to add a logo to the video. Click on add overlay option. Now go to the place where the photos are and select the logo of your channel. This is the logo of my channel. Touch the logo with both hands and make a size. Add the logo to the end of the video. Select the logo and drag it to the end of the video. An animation can be added to logo as in and out. Click the animation button. Select an animation you like and click on the right sign below. away from there. After that, tap on the video and select it. After that, you can see many options below. As you go to the right, you can easily make TikTok, Instagram and YouTube video by using this app. This is how you can edit a YouTube video correctly using Capcut app. In the next video, I will show you how to add the subscribe button to the YouTube video using the Capcut app. Save the video as 720 or 1080. Click on the arrow sign above.